Hi friends, now I would like to discuss about another Python program. We are going to be check whether the given number is even or not. So my dear friends, before we write this program, we can understand the basic mathematical principle, that is divisibility. What do you mean by the divisibility? Suppose let us consider the two numbers x, which is the numerator, and y is the denominator. Suppose x is divisible by y, means the remainder value of the division is 0. The remainder value is 0. So, dear friends, we are going to be know that the any number, let us consider that one is the number. Any number is divisible by 2. That is, remainder is 0. Remainder is 0. Then we are going to be call them as a even number. Otherwise, we are going to be call them as a odd number. So the numbers divisible by 2 as known as even numbers. My dear friends, to check the given number is even or not, here I am going to be consider the one of the variable in the Python programming, that is number. And to generate the remainder value, we have one operator, that is the modulus operator in Python. So I am by modulus of 2 I performing, and I will check the remainder. The result of this one is equal to 0 or not. Friends, we can observe that the double equal to symbol is a relational operator in Python. The result of this total expression, the relational expression, is a Boolean value. The Boolean value may be true or false, right? So the value is true, the total expression value is true. We are going to be identify that the given number is even, and the total expression value equal to false. We can identify the given number is odd. To write the program, I am also using the if condition. If I am going to write this expression and this value is true, I print it as an even. Otherwise, that means else I print it as a odd. So this is the programming logic. Here I am going to be using, friends. But it is easy to observe on pen and paper. And here we directly go to the Python online interpreter, and we are going to be check whether it is executed or not, and we write it and check it. And go to the online interpreter, right friends. I am going to be take this one as a Python online interpreter from this website. Here I go write my program. First of all, I write comment line, this program check given number is even or odd, and here I consider the input from the console, from the keyboard, and it is in a numerical form, input in integer. So dear friends, I write take the variable number num input, enter number value, right? Now we know that we take the input from the keyboard, the Python will consider it as a string, then I will convert it using the type convert function integer into an integer. Now I am going to be write the if condition, if number modulus 2 double equal to 0, then I write print number comma is even. So friends, here we observe that after if statement, the next statement, print statement, is justified somewhat right side. So what it means, this is the indentation, right? It means that the print instruction or statement is part of the if. And here I am going to write else. So the else and if at the same line, at the same indentation level, that means this else is associated to the above if, and this print statement is also part of the else. So and I print here number, right, is odd. Okay friends, here I write the program and will check whether it is working perfectly or not. So we can observe friends, enter the value. Now I enter the value, that is 16, right? We know that the 16 is an even number. We will wait for result. The result is also right. 16 is even. Once again, friends, I will run again, whether it is executed correctly or not for the odd numbers. The given number is 17. We well know that the 17 is odd, right? 17 is odd. Okay, friends. So this is the program we write to check the given number is even or odd. I hope that you are understanding well. Thank you.